fatherhood right there. These guys have lived together their whole life. They're the best of friends. They've always been like this. See, Kobe's always like, well, I'm still a puppy, you know? I know, what you kid. I know. What you kid. It's okay, he's one of my kids, Dad.